Another easy pumpkin pie recipe for Thanksgiving. I'm Tess, and today I will show you how to make the tastiest no-bake pumpkin pie. Stay tuned. This is another easy and quick holiday pie recipe that you will love. In a bowl, I have 8 ounces of soft cream cheese and half a cup of packed brown sugar. I set the cream cheese on the countertop this morning. You want the cream cheese as soft as possible, so when you mix it with the sugar, it will be nice and creamy and fluffy. Giving that a good whip with my hand mixer, and remember to scrape down the sides to get everything combined. Adding in 1 cup of pure pumpkin puree, half a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Giving that another good mixing, and again scrape down the sides. Now I'm folding in about 1 cup of whipped cream or Cool Whip. This is going to give the pie some volume and body. Just lightly fold in and take your time. Eventually it will all come together. This is going to fill an 8-inch pie graham cracker crust. If you wanted more volume, you could fold in an additional cup of whipped cream, but then just remember you may want to add a little bit more pumpkin spice to keep that rich flavor. This is going into the refrigerator for a couple hours so it sets up nice and firm. This is such an easy and delicious pumpkin pie recipe. Your family and friends will love it. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.